No. I have a son. No.
Pay attention to the road, Daddy.
I know.
So guys, I'm gonna hang out with my brothers today. I think my makeup and my hair is cute. Curls came out poppin', you know. Should probably use some heat protectant on this. I have no clue what we're doing, but... Hey, Gabby. Hey, Gabby. Aren't you a cutie? Ew, oh girl, oh baby. Oh, dripping down her leg. Oh yes, oh.
What about me?
You fine. Pistachio with raspberry cheesecake. Oh, and the camera caught everything. Oh. Woo! Oh, that one's hard. Oh, so close. Maybe you danced too early. You were gonna give me a history lesson.
No.
I'm in Baltimore. It's bright out here. It's actually not as hot as I thought it was gonna be.
It was hot when I got off. But like there was like no clouds.
I am the traveling girl.
Her traveling wig.
Yes, you know, it's not that great, but I laid down the edges a little bit so it wasn't flapping up like this.
Good. Oh, okay.
Oh, the mural's pretty. It says open.
It had an open sign.
But it looks like it got tore up. Oh, I didn't get your face, but... $24.99, then with tax it was $26.
Yeah, so for 6 bottles of $24.
Because I couldn't find that like flavor center here. They only have like the regular one.
Yeah,
and that was
I've
like
never had
$6.
I swear, I thought when Brianna asked you what your favorite flavor was, I was like, she's gonna say it's original. And then you were like, grapefruit.
What does original taste like? Just alcohol?
Yeah, my boyfriend hates the flavors. He's like, they're just so disgusting. He's like, you just drink regular soju. And I'm like, no. He says, Jeju soju's the best soju. That's what he said.
That's like a worst.
I won't tell him that. He'll be so upset. He's like, you don't know anything. I'm in our capital. What?
Sorry, go ahead.
Toot. What?
Trump is my president.
Shut up, please. Stop.
You see that girl?
Oh, this lighting is like, this is beautiful. We are in DC. I know nothing. So guys, we got some seafood and we are going to, can you stop looking at me? We're going to cook some seafood and drink. It's gonna be a day. And it's like the perfect weather too because like there's no sun, so. Bye bye. this camera makes me look so good when I'm wearing makeup. Hey guys, so today we are going to a soccer game. It's the Atlanta United team versus the New York Red Bulls team. I've wanted to do this since the stadium opened up and everything, but like I think the first year I just didn't go because I didn't really know about it, and then last year I was in Memphis. So my boyfriend and I really like soccer. Fun fact, we both played soccer like growing up, so this will be fun and we get to act a fool. And I didn't eat this morning, so I'm looking forward. I wasn't being lazy. We decided last minute we were going. Oh, my skin looks so good in this. But so I'm about to eat some nachos, you know. And I think, oh, there's a cop car. Try to get someone today. And I think my boyfriend's gonna have the loaded mac and cheese. It's very on brand for him. I'm not gonna take my camera in because I can't like film anyway, so maybe I'll insert some clips from like Snapchat or Instagram or something like that. We'll take you guys along for the rest of the day. We might go shopping depending on the weather. We're gonna eat some Korean soy sauce chicken and these really good rice balls that have some really good sauce. He doesn't know it yet, but that's what we're having.
Say it, Kim.
No, I'm gonna be copyrighted anyway.
Are you not gonna like take any videos now?
Huh?
Are you not gonna take any videos now?
I am.
Hey guys, I'm trapped in a car.
I can't. I'm gonna be copyrighted. I'm just showing my face. Hi guys, so we've made it to Florida for our vacation. Let's go along on our house tour. Is this to the garage? Oh, this is the toilet? Oh, toilet. Linen. Washer and dryer. Garage. Well, maybe since all the bad reviews, they installed a thermostat.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah. Love me a Florida pool. Okay, then there's an upstairs chilling area. This is such a great area. Then there's a bathroom. It's another room. Master bedroom. I don't know why I didn't turn on the lights, but it's just a hassle. Look at this walk-in closet. It mimics the one downstairs, except for this isn't leading to the pool. What are you doing? Bunk bed with connected bathroom, bedroom. This is my bedroom and bathroom.
You know, I'm really surprised about that neither mom nor dad texted any of us. So like, y'all made
She texted me, and she was asking me 50 million questions yesterday.
No, I'm saying when did
Well,
she probably assumed we were driving because it was like when we were
she probably assumed the person that will answer. Guys, we're at Waffle House.
No.
We're at Waffle House.
Sydney looked at my shoes. What color was my shoes? Did men pick them out? She didn't even know I had.
Tell us more.
Got in there.
I didn't bring a food. Hey guys, so it's our last morning in Florida. We're almost ready to go. Here's some people. we're heading out soon. You know, I didn't really vlog that much because I wanted to relax, chill, but